A U.S. military-contracted plane crashed in a rice field in the southern Philippines Thursday, killing all 4 people on board, U.S. Embassy and Philippine officials said. The Civil Aviation Authority of the Philippines confirmed the crash of a light plane in Maguindanao del Sur province. It did not immediately provide other details. The plane that crashed in the southern province was contracted by the U.S. military. U.S. Embassy spokesperson Kanishka Gangopatia told the Associated Press, adding that the U.S. Indo-Pacific Command will issue a more detailed statement on the plane crash. The bodies of 4 people who appeared to be foreign nationals were retrieved from the wreckage in Ampatuan town, said Amir Jihad Tim Ambalato, a safety officer of Maguindanao del Sur. Wendy Beatty, a provincial disaster mitigation officer, told the AP that she received reports that residents saw smoke coming from the plane and heard an explosion before the aircraft plummeted to the ground less than a kilometer, about half a mile, from a cluster of farmhouses. Nobody was reported injured on or near the crash site, which was cordoned off by troops.